Welcome back to Celebrities in History. Get ready to be amazed as we dive into 20 mind-blowing, weird, and wonderful celebrity events that happened on November 30 throughout history. From legendary births to shocking moments, we've got a lineup that's sure to captivate you. If you're fascinated by intriguing celebrity stories, make sure to subscribe and join our growing community. Number 20. On November 30, 1835, the great American author Mark Twain was born. He died at age 74, but his wit lives on in classics like Huckleberry Finn. Fun fact, he predicted he'd go out with Halley's Comet. And he did. Number 19. Winston Churchill, the indomitable British Prime Minister, was born on November 30, 1874. He passed away at 90, after leading Britain through World War II with his iconic speeches and bulldog spirit. Born to make history, indeed. Number 18. Funny man Ben Stiller was born on November 30, 1965. Turning 59 on November 30, 2024, he's still making us laugh in films like Zoolander and Night at the Museum. Can anyone else pull off blue steel like he does? Number 17. Kaley Cuoco, our favorite Big Bang Theory neighbor, was born on November 30, 1985. She turns 39 on November 30, 2024, proving that comedy and charm never get old. Bazinga. Number 16. Rock rebel Billy Idol was born on November 30, 1955. Turning 69 on November 30, 2024, he's still dancing with himself and sneering through punk-infused hits. White Wedding, anyone? Number 15. Visionary director Ridley Scott was born on November 30, 1937. Turning 87 on November 30, 2024, he's the mastermind behind Alien, Blade Runner, and Gladiator. Are you not entertained? Number 14. The ever-charming Chrissy Teigen was born on November 30, 1985. Turning 39 on November 30, 2024, she's a model, author, and social media queen who keeps us laughing and craving her recipes. Number 13. Legendary host Dick Clark was born on November 30, 1929. He died at 82, but his American Bandstand and New Year's Eve countdowns became timeless traditions. Rockin' Eve, anyone? Number 12. Multi-sport legend Bo Jackson was born on November 30, 1962. Turning 62 on November 30, 2024, he's the only athlete to be an all-star in both MLB and NFL. Bo knows how to make history. Number 11. On November 30, 1994, rapper Tupac Shakur was shot 5 times in New York City, but miraculously survived. This event added to his legendary status and the mystique surrounding his life and music. Number 10. Clay Aiken was born on November 30, 1978. Turning 46 on November 30, 2024, he went from American Idol to Congress hopeful, showing he's got more than just vocal chops. Number 9. Soccer star Gary Lineker was born on November 30, 1960. Turning 64 on November 30, 2024, he's known for his fair play, never receiving a yellow or red card, and for being the face of football broadcasting. Number 8. Actress Andrea Riseborough was born on November 30, 1981. Turning 43 on November 30, 2024, she's dazzled us in films like Birdman and Oblivion, a true chameleon on screen. Number 7. On November 30, 1993, Schindler's List premiered, directed by Steven Spielberg. The powerful film won 7 Oscars and moved audiences worldwide with its poignant portrayal of the Holocaust. Number 6. Former U.S. President George H.W. Bush passed away on November 30, 2018, at 94. He was a World War II veteran, CIA director, and the man who popularized the phrase, "Read my lips." No new taxes. Number 5. National Lampoon's Christmas Vacation lit up screens on November 30, 1989. Chevy Chase's holiday mishaps became a festive favorite, making us all feel better about our own family gatherings. Number 4. On November 30, 2004, quiz genius Ken Jennings finally lost on Jeopardy! After a 74-game winning streak, bagging over $2.5 million. Even the smartest can have an off day. Number 3. Beloved actor Paul Walker tragically died on November 30, 2013 at age 40. Known for Fast and Furious, he left us too soon, but his need for speed and philanthropy live on. Number 2. On November 30, 1996, the ukulele-strumming Tiny Tim passed away at 64. His falsetto rendition of Tiptoe Through the Tulips remains delightfully odd and unforgettable. Number 1. On November 30, 1982, Michael Jackson's Thriller album was released, changing the music world forever. The best-selling album of all time, it taught us to moonwalk and fear dancing zombies. Thanks for joining us on this incredible journey through celebrity history on November 30. If these fascinating tidbits amazed you, give us a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Don't miss out on more weird and wonderful celebrity stories. Subscribe to Celebrities in History and hit the notification bell so you're always in the loop.